In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts in your Outlook address book. This process is straightforward, but having a clear understanding of each step can make a world of difference for efficiency and accuracy. Let's dive right in. Begin by opening your Outlook application. If you're accustomed to starting your software from its shortcut on your desktop or through your program menu, you can use your preferred method. Once Outlook is open, you'll find yourself looking at your email inbox. Don't worry, that's where everyone starts. The next step is to navigate from your email view to your contact list. To access your contacts, you can click on the icon labeled People within Outlook. It's usually located at the bottom of your navigation pane, often represented by a person icon. For those who appreciate quick keyboard shortcuts, here's a pro tip. Pressing Ctrl plus the number 3 key on your keyboard will speed you directly to your contact list without needing to reach for your mouse. Now that you're in the People view, you should see your list of contacts. Take a moment to scroll through your address book to find the specific contact you want to delete. This could be anyone from an outdated business connection to perhaps an old personal contact you no longer need. Keep in mind that once you delete a contact, it will be removed from your address book, so ensure that you're certain about this decision. Once you've located the contact you wish to remove, it's time to take action. Position your cursor over the contact name and right-click with your mouse. This will bring up a context menu with various options. Look carefully through this menu and select the option that says Delete. Choosing this function will complete the process of removing the contact. For those of you who are more inclined towards keyboard proficiency, there's an even quicker method. Simply highlight the contact you intend to remove and press the Delete key on your keyboard. And just like that, the contact is permanently removed from your address book. This process should seamlessly integrate into your workflow and become second nature over time. While it may seem elementary, understanding the intricacies of managing your digital address book can significantly enhance your organizational skills and ensure your contact list remains up to date and free of clutter. Remember, maintaining a clean address book isn't just about deleting outdated information. It's also about streamlining your professional and personal connections. Should you require assistance with any other Outlook features or similar tasks, feel free to explore more of our tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.